guys, Heather here. I'm with Coldwell Banker Advantage and I'm out here in Apex, North Carolina hosting an open house. It will be today from 1 to 3. This townhouse located in downtown Apex, North Carolina has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and is over 1,900 square feet. It has a wonderful master suite with a garden tub and a walk-in shower. It has 4 bedrooms. One is being currently used as a dining room on the main floor. It is 3 stories, so you have your privacy. It also has a very large back deck for you to sit out in the sun or have some entertaining. The house is beautiful. It's beautifully decorated and well kept. And so if you're looking for a townhouse in downtown Apex, come check it out today from 1 to 3. We're also offering a chance to win a $100 gift card to Angus Barn. We're having an open house competition here. So come on down, check out the house, scan your code, and you can get entered to win the $100 Angus Barn gift card. I look forward to seeing you soon, and take a look at these videos and pictures so you can get a better idea of what this house has to offer you. See you soon.